Good evening, class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is determinant, right? This is all based on matrices only. Actually, determinant is related to matrices, right? So these both the chapters will come in together, right? They will come together only because they are interrelated. Determinant is actually dependent on matrices, right? So firstly, let me define determinant, because I have told you it is dependent on matrices only. So how it will depend on matrices, that I will tell you now. Determinant is actually, it is nothing, it is a function which carries a matrices, which carries a matrix to some real number. How that carries a matrix to a real number, that we will discuss now. Now see what they are saying. To every square matrix A equals to Aij of order n. Now first of all, it needs to be a square matrix. For the determinant, we need a square matrix. Clear? So for every square matrix, we can associate a number, may that be real or complex. That number can be either real or complex, because the entries are allowed in the matrices that are complex as well, right? We didn't said that the matrices entries can't be complex, so they can be complex, so determinant can also be complex, right? So we can associate a number real or complex called determinant of a square matrix A, where Aij is the ijth element of A. So determinant is nothing, it is actually a function, right, which carries matrix to real number. That not real number, a number which will be either real or complex, right? So now if anyone will ask you what is a determinant, so determinant is actually a function whose domain is set of matrices and range will be set of numbers, may that be real or complex. So you can directly say complex numbers, because you all know that real numbers are actually contained in set of complex numbers, right? So now we will start how to find determinant of a matrix. So first of all, how to write a determinant of a matrix? Suppose we have to find the determinant of A, so it is denoted by like this. This is not mod, this is actually now a determinant of a matrix A, right? And if matrix A is A, B, C, D, then the determinant of A is written as determinant of A, which will be equals to A, B, C, D now in the determinant, and it is also written as det of A. I hope this is clear to you all, right? Now we are going to study further. Some remarks are there, right? So let us firstly read that remarks. For a matrix A, this is written as determinant of A, not modulus of A. This is not modulus, this is actually a determinant, right? If A is a matrix, then mod of A will be, it is not mod, it is actually determinant. We will not read it as mod, right? Because why we don't read, actually it is not about reading only, it is not mod. Why not mod? Because mod is taken for numbers, but we are taking matrices, right? So it is not mod, it is actually the determinant. Only square matrices have determinants, as I told you earlier as well. Only square matrices will have determinants, not rectangular matrix will have determinant. So square matrices will only possess the determinant. So let us now find how the determinant we can obtain for any type of matrix. So first of all, let me find the determinant of matrix of order 1. So let A be equals to Aij. Aij, why to write Aij? Because we have only one element in order 1 matrix, so we will have only single element. Let me write it as A. Why to write Aij, right? So it is A, B of order 1, then the determinant of A is defined to be equal to A. So if any matrix A of order 1, suppose it is like this 1, so determinant of A will be nothing, it will be actually the entry of the matrix, of order 1 given to us, right? So this will be our determinant of matrix of order 1. So whatever the entry will be there, that will only be the determinant of that given matrix, right? Now let us find the determinant of a matrix of order 2. Now how to find the determinant of matrix of order 2? Suppose a matrix, general matrix A is equals to A11, A12, A21 and A22. Now how to find a det of A? Det of A will be equals to, it is written by del as well, that is this triangle, right? This type of triangle, right? Or it can be written as det of A, or this type det of A. Now what it will be, you have to do actually is you have to take the products. How the products will be taken? Take this diagonal elements and this diagonal elements and subtract. You can't change the order, you have to do like this only. Starting from A11, you have to go downwards diagonally, right? So A11 into A22 minus the opposite diagonal A12 into A21. So this will be our determinant of matrix of order 2. So this is how we find the determinant of matrix of order 2. So let us take one example based on this for determinant of a matrix of order 2. Now see here, example 1. They said evaluate determinant of a matrix 2, 4, minus 1 and 2. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. As you all know now, they said find the determinant. So now what will be? First element 2 into diagonal element corresponding to 2. It will be 2 minus 4 into minus 1. Other diagonal elements, right? So it will be 4 plus 4, which will be what? 8. So this will be our determinant of matrix given to us 2, 4, minus 1 and 2. So this is how we find the determinant of order 2 matrices, right? I hope this is clear to you all. Now this example is given to you. They said evaluate this determinant. Now you have to do is you have to multiply the main diagonal elements, that means x into x, minus the other diagonal elements, which will be x plus 1 into x minus 1, right? So it will be what? X square minus the a plus b, a minus b. So it will be x square minus 1. Now x square minus x square plus 1. So x square minus x square will be cancelled out. We will get 1, right? So this will be our determinant of this matrix. That will be our 1, right? So this was the determinant for any matrix of order 2, right? Why to write 2 cross 2? It is actually 2 because it is a square matrix. So for 2 cross 2, we write it as square matrix of order 2, right? Determinant is always there for square matrices. So directly write of matrix 2 order, right? Now let me take a matrix of greater order, that is order 3. Now how to find the matrix determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3? This will be somewhat lengthy but not that tough. It is just easy procedure. Now you have to do is, let me take one general matrix for order 3 cross 3. Let me take it as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Now you have to do is what? You have to firstly take one column or one row out of that matrix. Either row 1, row 2, row 3 or column 1, column 2 or column 3, right? Now you have to select one row or column through which you want to expand, right? So if I will take, suppose, row 1 and I have to expand along row 1. Now if I have to expand along row 1, I will do what? The determinant of A will be nothing, it will be A11, right? First element of row 1. I am moving along row 1. So let me firstly clear it and write it on top. See now, determinant of A will be first element A11. Now delete that row and column, right? Whatever the matrix you will obtain of 2 cross 2, write the determinant of that matrix A22, A23 into A32 into A33. Clear? So this will be our second matrix plus. Now second element of the row, right? First thing, you have to multiply with minus 1 power the base base index. Let me write it clearly. See here. Determinant of A will be what? It will be A11 into minus 1 power index. That means A11. That means minus 1 power 1 plus 1. That is our index, right? Into removing that column and that row. Whatever the matrix we will obtain, we will write the determinant of that matrix. Determinant of that matrix, which will be A22, right? A23, then A32 and A33. Clear? First will be this. Then you have to add next element. That means A12, and then same procedure, deleting that row and column into index of minus 1 power 1 plus 2, right? So what will be the criteria now? See in the below steps, right? See here now. First of all, first step is multiply the first element A11 of row 1 R1 by minus 1 power 1 plus 1. That is minus 1 power sum of these fixes in A11. That is sum of these fixes of element, right? With the second order determinant obtained by deleting the elements of first row and column, first column, right? So now deleting that, we will get what? We will get this type. Now we will go to second element and we will follow the same procedure. We will multiply the second element A12 by R1 of R1 by minus 1 power sum of these fixes, right? So it will be 1 plus 2 into the determinant of matrix obtained by deleting the second row and second column, right? Then for this same procedure for the third element of the row 1, right? So this will be minus 1 power A1 1 plus 3 into A13 into determinant of matrix obtained by deleting the third row and third column, right? So now next your determinant will be nothing, it will be actually the sum of all these three, sum of all these three, which will be your determinant. Determinant of A will be minus 1 power, which is obtained by first element, this is obtained by second element, and this is obtained by third element. So adding all these, you will get your determinant, right? Just see it very carefully, right? This type of same type of procedure you can follow with column as well, right? Or some other row as well, or some other column as well. So you can do it by your choice. Determinant will be same, it will be actually unique, right? So this type of procedure we will follow for the 3x3 matrix determinant. Just see this very carefully, and in the next class, coming class, we will discuss the problems on this 3x3 matrix. Whenever you will get it clearly, we will discuss the problems on this. So your whole first exercise will be depending on the determinant only. So just see the video carefully, see the steps of determinant for 3x3 very carefully, and please check the determinant of order 2 as well as of order 1, right? Thank you, and we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, be safe.